Lighting the lanes of the sea to warn and guide the world's shipping is no recent innovation. Lighthouses existed long before the Christian era. In 300 BC, the famous Ptolemy's Pharos was regarded as one of the world's wonders. It was built at Alexandria and was said to be 600 feet high. One of the most thrilling stories of lighthouse construction concerned the Eddystone on that treacherous reef 14 miles off Plymouth. The first attempt was by Henry Winstanley, who completed a wooden freak in 1698. Winstanley's own drawing showed himself fishing on the right. After damage by storms, he increased the diameter of his lighthouse, but 3 years later it was swept away. Next came Rudyard's tower, also made of wood. It had an anchor rod built in, and the bottom was filled with bricks and stone ballast to give stability. This was burnt down in 1755, and the following year Smeaton began another, but this time in stone. The feature of this was the dovetail joints for the stones, used for the first time in lighthouse building. 1759 saw the light and candles. For over 100 years, Smeaton's tower stood guard to give place in 1878 to the present lighthouse. The comparison of the 4 Eddystones is interesting. Even more intriguing is the comparison with the Ptolemy structure of 2,000 years ago. Perhaps one of the greatest advances in modern lighthouses is in the light itself. Great electric lamps supply the light, and with mechanical devices rotating the lamp, its penetrating beam, made by the sectional lenses, can travel in a complete circle. Incidentally, it would be difficult to find a more lonely job than the lighthouse keepers. What a relief in every sense of the word. Lighthouse work is by no means the same as lighthouse work. 200 years ago, the first British lightship was launched. Today's lightships are marvels of engineering. They have all the equipment of a lighthouse, and they do their share in making the seas safe. Sea lanes are also marked by buoys. Their different shapes denote various purposes. Did you know, for instance, that port and starboard buoys have distinguishing shapes and colors? Then there are the different types, of which the Courtney whistling buoy is one of the most ingenious. The rise and fall of the water in the hollow sleeve sucks in the air, and as it goes out, causes the whistle. Buoys, lightships, and lighthouses are the signposts of the sea, guiding the ocean transport of the world to safe harbor.